Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to look at increasing 1,200 Rand by 20%, and there are two methods that we can use, and I'm going to take you through both methods. Alright, so I'm going to split my screen in half, and I'm going to say method 1 on the left hand side, and I'm going to say method 2 on the right hand side. And it really is up to you which method you choose. One of them is obviously more effective and efficient than the other one, but they both give you the same answer. So if you're looking to save time in a test, obviously choose the one that's more efficient, but I should have said both are as effective because they both get you down to the same answer. Right, so moving on, method 1. The first thing we can do, guys, this is the slightly longer method, is we can first see what 20% of 1,200 is, and then we add that to our 1,200. Okay, so how do we calculate what 20% of 1,200 is? We simply say, right, we know that 20% means 20 parts out of 100, and we're going to multiply that by 1,200 over 1. Okay, so now we know we can multiply the top and the bottom together. But before we do, we can do some simplification. We can cross out these zeros there, and we can cross out those zeros over there. And we are left with 20 times 12. So how would we do that? 20 times 12. We know that 10 times 12 is 120, and we need to double that, and that's going to give us 240. So that's going to be 240. What does 240 mean? Well, 240 basically means that it's 20% of 1,200. So in order to increase 1,200 Rand by 240, we would have to say 1,200 plus 240 Rand is going to be equal to 1,440 Rand. So that is one way of doing it, where we first calculate what that percentage is, and then we add it to the original percentage. The second way is we use a formula that does that in a single step. Okay, so we do that in a single step. So instead of using 20 over 100, we're going to use 120 over 100, and that brings in the 100 that we have used over here. Okay, so we've used 100%, which is the 1,200, and then the 20%, which is going to be the 240 that we've already calculated over there, and we're going to multiply that, as we did before, by the 1,200. Again, let's cancel out these zeros just to make our life a little easier, and what we're left with is going to be 120 times 12. Okay, so if we look at the 12 times 12, we know that is 144, and we've got a 0 that's left, so we add the 0 at the end. So 12 times 12 is 144, add that 0, add a Rand in the front, and we can see we get the exact same answer in a single step. Right guys, that's all from me. Hope this helped. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Read up more about them in the description below. For more epic videos like this one, visit our website. If we don't have an answer for your question yet, send us your question and we will send you a personalized video, and we'll even give you a shout out. Until the next time guys, stay epic.